Alright, got there with him for dinner. Hey! Y'all leave her alone. These ducks, man. I know ducks are cute, but they're the most violent, abusive sons of bitches I've ever seen in my life. They will screw somebody up, man. Look at that duck. They don't even have feathers no more, man. You get the hell up out of here. I don't want to see you, bro. You and your abusive ass. That's why I don't give them no food, because they're all abusive and whatnot. Hell no. Why should they get food if they're going to be acting like assholes? Do that. Okay. I feel like I should put it the other way. Why? There's a nicer way of doing this, but okay. Alright, this is how the setup goes, piece by piece. Here's the piece of the resistance. God. There we go. Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, it's a lot better actually, because then I can just open it here. No problem. Cool. Here's my measuring board. And yes, I do measure my fish. Because if I'm keeping one, it's got to be legal. I don't want to get in trouble with the DNR. It's not my game plan. My game plan is to catch a big one. Okay. There's that. I got me a new foam pad for my feet there because it hurts my butt. Alright. I'm gonna get the extras in here. Extra water. Extra hoodie jacket and pants. Although I don't think I'll need them. I feel pretty good, but it's a little bit chilly. Now for the best part. Right. Which I got way too many of. It's supposed to be clear today. I don't think it's going to rain or anything, but you never know. Take it with us. Alright, gotta set this up. too long ago I broke my rod here, so come to redeem myself. I did catch the fish that broke my rod that day, so that's no big deal. We'll see how this feels because I don't like how long the freaking rod is. Alright. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's a lot better with the smaller reel though, that's for sure. It used to have a really big old reel on it. It's a size 3 or 3000. And quite honestly, that's pretty big. I don't like a giant, I don't like a big reel. It could have been the reel itself, but 3 is pretty big. 2 is right where I like it. So that's the only thing I don't like, how long that pole is. I don't know why it's so long. I got a chatterbait tied on, but I want to make this my buzzbait rod. See, anyways, that there. If anything, I might put this on that and put that on this for now, because I'm not really using it that much, but I don't think I'll be using the deep diver. Alright, just because this guy is an obvious yes. There's no doubt about it. A good old jig rod. That goes right in here. Can't be messing around with that. Just like this. So this one right here was what I was looking at. Let me just see what it feels like in there. Not bad. You know, it's pretty freaking slow. You know what? I might keep that 5 on there. I might just mess around with that. I mean, it don't feel too bad. Feels pretty good. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do then is, since this rod is so freaking long, we're just gonna have it on the floor, and then this guy will keep it with this as well. Although I kind of want to put it like this. The rod is so long, we'll be fine. Put the battery in there. I got 2, just in case, obviously. Although one of these batteries is not that great, which is this big one, which is the first one that goes in because it'll die the soonest. Alright. Here. Alright, that turns on. So that's the setup. Crazy. Now I just gotta put my truck away. Got everything. All right, now cut this off.